Omurukiko rwa Kanso ya district ya Kikuube rw'omutano orwayebemberwa Speaker Christopher Nkaru, kansara w'egombora ya Kabwe ya Alex Biensi Kabusomba yareta ekitiiso ky'okuhakanisa Buliisa okusharwa aha Bukama bwa Bunyoro kitara okuhangaho obundi Bukama obu barikwenda kweta obutembegwa bwa Bugungu.
Leaves Buliisa on Bunyoro Kingdom not to take the ideas of the self-styled and emotional leaders that Buliisa shouldn't be allowed to succeed, but leave Bunyoro as one.
Oluganda lw'ababiito lukuheadinga ki Bunyoro Kingdom na habwekyo tinkuyikiriza Buliisa ekiweho nguye etunga omunyoro yabaire ngulwabe Mukama. I reject that.
Ekitiiso kye kyahagirwa bakansara boona barikugira ngu Buliisa okusharwa hari Bunyoro nikibaasa kuzingamya entunguuka ya Bunyoro.
And to make it again matters worse, if the Bagungu breaks away and again another group again try to break away from Bunyoro, this will create a lot of insecurity in Bunyoro. So with me, as an old man, Bunyoro should remain intact.
We are here in Bunyoro as Bunyoro, whether we are Bagungu or Arul or whatever. It has been the kingdom and its subjects which has really made Bunyoro the way it is with all the tribes.
Abandi abarimu Opio Vincent bagamba ngu kyabaha abagungu ba Buliisa bakaheebwa obukama nikiza kurugiriraho n'abacope ba Kiryandongo hamwe n'abagangizi ba Kakumiro hamwe na Kibale okutandika kushaba ngu baheebwe nabo obukama.
Nikimanyisa ngu nyenkya n'omucope Kiryandongo asabe akole obukama bwe n'omukiga n'omururu n'omukobiya n'ondi weena tutandike kutagura obukama bwaitu bwa Bunyoro.
The region we have here, the kingdom we have here is welcoming. It welcomes everybody, even the new Bunyoro and the immigrants and all that. Bunyoro is always welcoming. We cannot afford even a single day, even a single minute to see this rich history being distorted by anybody.
Hari tuyikiri mu Uganda bwire buno tukwende kigambo obumu tube muntu omu tuhanule ekintu kimu tuyikiranze ekintu kimu habwenkurakurana obumu obubaho abantu bakurakurana.
Enteekateeka z'okucwa Buliisa okuruga hari Bunyoro zeebembirwe chairman wa district ya Buliisa Fred Lukumu hamwe na Norman Lukumu owabireho omuhikirwa wa Bunyoro kitara.
Constitution of Uganda under Article 246 empowered cultural institution, rather cultural entity in Uganda. But Rukumu now, you have no problem discussing between Twebanora na Bukama wa Bunyoro.
Abagungu nibashanga omu district ya Buliisa hamwe n'omwishaza rya Kigorovya omu district ya Hoima. Gashakwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.